In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a bug on Telegram using Telegram Web. This is useful if you're facing an issue, a glitch, or if you want to send a suggestion directly to the Telegram team. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web, then log into your Telegram account. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner and click on the sandwich menu, also known as the three-line menu. From the menu options, select More. After that, click on Report a Bug. This will open the bug reporting section where you can explain your issue or suggestion. Now clearly describe the problem you're facing or the feature you want to suggest. Try to be as detailed as possible so the Telegram team can understand and review it properly. Once you're done typing your message, simply click the arrow button to send it. That's it. Your bug report or suggestion has been successfully submitted to Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this.